I was initially looking for a periodontist because I had been seeing a periodontist in my hometown before moving to California, and I knew I needed to continue with that treatment. I just looked on the internet for different physicians, and her website had a lot of information. She really was an expert. I saw that she also taught dental students, so that was very impressive to me. I just picked up the phone and called her office and made an appointment to see her, and it's been a great experience since then. It's been about, I guess, almost 10 years that I've known her. My first consultation session with Dr. Rashti, I was actually having a problem which I thought was related to a problem that I'd had in the past. But when I came to see her, she did x-rays, she examined me, she talked to me about treatments that I had in the past, and actually realized at that time it wasn't the problem that I thought. I really liked the consultation session because I felt that she was being very honest with me and open. For me, that relationship and having someone be understanding and comforting to me was very important. The day of the surgery, she was here as well as Sally, her assistant, and they made me feel very comfortable. They gave me a blanket because, of course, sometimes medical offices are pretty cold. So I felt comfortable. I really had no pain during the procedure. She was very warm, talking me through everything so that I was aware of what she was doing. She told me the entire time, what I should expect, and if I was feeling a certain way, that this was normal. And so that really made me feel good. After the surgery, I went home the same day. As I didn't have really any problems with pain or complications, but Dr. Rashti did call me later that evening to make sure I was feeling okay and whether or not I had any questions. She gave me an emergency number that I could use if I were to have any problems over the weekend. The follow-up was just for her to check the surgery site and to look at the sutures that were there. It felt nice, her telling me that the surgery was successful and she did achieve what we had agreed upon. When Dr. Rashti talked to me about what my treatment plan was going to be, of course that included what the price was going to be for the surgery. She was able to review with me what my insurance would pay for. She did all of the paperwork for the insurance company, so I didn't have to worry about forms or submitting that on my own. And then the portion that was not covered by insurance, she did help me set up a payment plan, which was very helpful through her office. There was no interest, which was important to me, being, a young person with student loans and other financial commitments. I think anyone who's looking for a dentist really should call Dr. Rashti's office after, looking at her website and checking out her credentials. Everyone should do that. I think that they would be very happy with the treatment they receive with her.